Hello, carpet cleaning world. I just thought I would go over this with you real quick. I'm getting ready to go do a commercial carpet inspection. And I'm not going to divulge too much because it's not fair to the elites. But I do want to show you this. You have to get your audience in the mindset of understanding what we do. You must remember and understand that when you walk through the door, they're just expecting you to be able to give them a number, tell them you can do the job, and that's the end of it. So right here, we have to get them in the mindset. You see guys cleaning carpet here, and then it says, are you proud of the way your carpet looks, or do you hope your customers and staff never look down? Now that's all you get. You got to be in the elite group to get the rest of that. But then the next insert in my folder, my commercial, Roger Lloyd's marketing folder, is the definition. Because everything is about residual income. So you want to set them up from the beginning, explaining what you have. So then right here, my second insert is definitions. You see the first one is hot water extraction. And then the second one is what? End capping. So therefore, you see what? You see the restoration deep cleaning definition. And then you see the maintenance end cap definition. This is very important. And then you also want to let them see some of your modern day equipment and how it really flushes the carpet clean. Now, like I said, I'm getting ready to go do a commercial inspection, but I just figured while I was putting this folder together that I would just show you what, since so many people are wondering who judges the elites, who makes the elites the elite. When you go out and you give your commercial clients this type of information, it's educational. Remember, my word, edu-cleaning. You're edu-cleaning your client so they can make an informed, intelligent decision to do what? To choose you. Now, if you would like to learn more and see more of information like this and what you will get from the elite group, this is the type of information that you will get. And maybe you guys are just, so past this and don't need this, that you don't want it. So that's fine. But for those of you that are inquiring, what do you get from the Carpet Cleaning World Elite Group? This is the type of information. It makes you stand out. And that's what makes you part of the elites. Thank you. And until tonight, I'll talk to you soon.